Hi everyone, we're going to discuss the polar equation and graph it by hand. It has the form R equals EP over 1 plus E cosine of theta. So basically we want to put it in this form. It's not in this form because this isn't a 1. So we're going to rewrite it by factoring out a 2. And you get 1 plus 2 cos of theta. So now we can also simplify. 2 goes into 8 4 times. So basically we can simplify this and write EP equals 4, E equals 2. That's greater than 1, so that means this is going to be a hyperbola. And P is going to be 2, so because 2 times 2 equals 4. That's E times P equals 4. So my P is also 2. So basically, since it's cosine and it's a hyperbola here, it means the directrix is perpendicular to the polar axis, and it is 2 units to the right of pole. And again, it's to the right because it's positive, and it's left and right because it's cosine. So if this was sine, it would be above or below. And let's find since it's opening, this is going to be opening left and right, I'm going to go ahead and use 0 and pi for this equation. I'm going to do it here because I was running out of room. So basically I'm going to take this equation and write 4 over 1 plus 2 cos of 0 and 4 over 1 plus 2 cos of pi. So basically when our angle is 0, cos of 0 is 1, so this is going to give us 4/3. And when cos is pi, it's -1, so you're going to get, so when my angle is pi, I'm going to have 1 minus 2 is -1, so it's going to be -4. These are vertices. So let's go ahead and draw the directrix, which is 2 units to the right, and draw my vertices. And then we'll figure out all the rest of the stuff. So, and we kind of know what a hyperbola already looks like, so that helps. So basically, the directrix is, here's your axis, and it's 2 units to the right. So, and it's perpendicular to the polar axis. Alright? And my vertices are going to be at pi, which is pi is on this side, it's -4. So basically at pi, instead of going 4 this way, we're going 4 this way. So this is pi. This is -4 comma pi. And our other one was at 0 4/3, which is close to 1. So it's basically about right here. No, it's actually bigger than 1. See, I heard y'all talking. So a little bit closer. So there it is. And now to get my width of this, I'm going to go ahead and plug in my equation. Let me write my equation again, which is R equals 4 over 1 plus 2 cos of pi, 2 cos of theta. So for my values on this y-axis here, I'm going to be plugging in pi over 2. We know that cosine of pi over 2 is 0, so I'm basically going to get, when I need my r, and I'm going to put pi over 2. So when I put pi over 2, I'm going to get 4. So this is going to be 4. And the same thing's going to happen when I plug in 3 pi over 2. I get 4. So from my pole, I go up, this is pi over 2, is this up here. So I got 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and down, 1, 2, 3, 4. So from my vertex, I kind of draw it out this way. And there you go. Now just so show some symmetry here. We're going out about 4/3 here, and then going up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4 down here. And then just kind of show some symmetry here. Alright, now all we have to do is get our center and our foci. So basically, the way you do that is we're going to take A, find A. A equals 1/2 of 4 minus 4/3. Basically, this is your 4. And then you're going to subtract this 4/3 here. So A is going to be 4/3. So your center is, you add 4/3, your directrix, plus 4/3, comma 0, and that's going to be 8/3. So our center is 8/3, which is a little bigger than 2, almost close to 3, right about there. So this was 8/3, comma 0. You can put it here if you want, but I don't want to put it there. It's kind of tight. All right, and then for C, we have C, I'm going to move that up here, equals 8/3, because there we are here, minus 0 equals 8/3. So the first one is going to be 8/3. And so the second focus is going to be at, let's see, 8/3 plus 8/3. So 8/3 plus 8/3 is 16/3, comma 0. So 16/3, comma 0. So 16/3 is close to 5. So a little bigger than 5, so it's right about there. And the 4/3 is right in, the other one is what? Let's see. The other one is right in here. Well, the other one's at 0, sorry. So I had to find the 0. So there you go. Because it's 4/3 difference here. And there's your 8/3 there. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.